Designing a game level involves careful planning and creativity to create engaging and immersive experiences for players. Here's a structured approach to designing a game level. Define the game's vision and theme. Understand the overall vision of the game and how the level fits into the narrative and gameplay progression. Define the theme, atmosphere, and mood you want to evoke in the level. Consider visual style, setting, and intended emotional impact. Outline gameplay objectives. Determine the specific gameplay objectives and challenges that the level will present to players. Align objectives with the overall game mechanics, ensuring they support player progression and contribute to the game's narrative arc. Create a layout and flow diagram. Sketch out a basic layout and flow diagram of the level. Plan the path players will take, major landmarks, and key points of interest. Consider the pacing of gameplay, including moments of tension, exploration, puzzle solving, and combat encounters. Establish environmental storytelling. Use environmental storytelling to convey narrative elements, world-building details, and character backgrounds without relying solely on dialogue. Place interactive objects, notes, and visual clues strategically to enhance immersion and engage players in the game's lore. Design challenges and obstacles. Introduce a variety of challenges and obstacles that align with the level's theme and gameplay objectives. Balance difficulty to provide a sense of accomplishment without frustrating players. Gradually increase challenge complexity as players progress. Balance exploration and linearity. Balance linear progression with opportunities for exploration and discovery. Incorporate hidden paths, optional objectives, and rewards for thorough exploration. Ensure clear visual and auditory cues guide players without sacrificing the sense of freedom and discovery. Integrate aesthetics and gameplay mechanics. Integrate aesthetics, visuals, audio, and ambiance with gameplay mechanics to create cohesive and memorable experiences. Use lighting, sound effects, music, and environmental details to enhance mood and reinforce gameplay cues. Iterate and playtest. Build a prototype of the level and conduct playtests to gather feedback on pacing, difficulty, player engagement, and overall enjoyment. Iterate on design based on playtest feedback, adjusting layout, challenges, and aesthetics to optimize player experience. Polish and optimize. Refine the level design by polishing visuals, refining gameplay mechanics, and optimizing performance to ensure smooth gameplay. Pay attention to details such as textures, lighting, collision detection, and performance optimization for a seamless player experience. Document and evaluate. Document the design process, decisions made, and lessons learned during level creation. Evaluate the level against initial objectives and player feedback to ensure it meets quality standards and enhances the overall game experience. By following these steps, game designers can create well-crafted levels that engage players, support the game's narrative, and contribute to the overall success of the game.